To convict you of possession of drug paraphernalia, prosecutor must prove that an everyday household item was somehow used to ingest drugs or store drugs, right? And the problem with proving a drug paraphernalia case is that the paraphernalia is typically perfectly legal. It's like a perfectly legal item, like a Ziploc plastic baggie or a digital scale. This stuff is legal to own, but when the police find these things near drugs, somebody's getting arrested for drug paraphernalia. Ziploc baggies are a classic drug paraphernalia. And having too many small baggies near drugs, and maybe a digital scale and rolls of cash, you're going to get in trouble for this, even if the baggies are empty. And even though really every kitchen in Florida probably has a box of these empty baggies in the pantry somewhere. So for the prosecutor to prove that your baggies are paraphernalia and illegal, they've got to have either drugs in a baggie or drug residue, like drugs used to be in the baggie, or the baggies could be empty, but they got to be near some drugs. And then fourth, even if you don't have any of these things, sometimes the state gets away with this when they've got a confession. They get more of these than you think. People will blurt out, I put all my weed in those baggies, but I'm out of weed. Well, that's a bad admission, and that could prove that it's drug paraphernalia. Another way a prosecutor can prove that a normal item is actually drug paraphernalia is to swab its surface for the presence of the drug. And they don't do this often. But, for example, people have small digital scales in their kitchen, right, to weigh food. And I don't do this, but I know people who do, and they're usually far healthier than I am. So, that being said, this digital scale is illegal, it's paraphernalia, if the police discover it has like marijuana seeds or shake, in the bottom of that little bowl. Any sort of drug residue on an otherwise legal item is going to transform that item, in our example scale, into drug paraphernalia. So, my name is John Guidry, and if you are facing a possession drug paraphernalia case in Orange or Seminole or Osceola counties, give me a call. Let's see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching. Take care.